Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python video course tutorial series. Now in this first video, I will show you how to find the max and minimum values from a list of collections. I will show you two methods, using the max and minimum methods, and how to get the maximum and minimum values using a sort function. Let's start the tutorial. For example, here I am adding maximum value is 1000, 100 and minimum value is 2 here. Now let's save this file. Up arrow which will print the previous command here. Now let's enter. And notice after we have changed the maximum and minimum value from the list of numbers, here we got the results. The maximum value is now 100 and minimum value is 2. The maximum value is 100 and minimum value is 2 using the second method sorting.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, we require one new folder. If you notice in this our VS Code Explorer, there is no any folders here. Now let's create one new folder, desktop. In order to create a Python file, first we require one new folder. The folder name is Python Tutorials. Python Tutorials. Enter, and this I have selected. Select folder. So notice here we got the Python folders. Is added to our VS Explorer. Now when I expand this folder, we don't have any files, so let's add one new file here. The file name is the max and min.py. Py is a Python extension, the file name .py. Now let's minimize this one. Now the code is, let's declare variable numbers is equals to create the list of items, we have to use the square brackets. Let's declare some numbers: 23, 9, minus 1, 99, 100, 1000. Just for the demo purpose, I have added only few list of collection, which are the numbers. Now the first method I am showing here. First method using max and minimum. First we need to print numbers. I want to display first list of collections, then print. I'm adding a new line here, then print maximum function numbers. Here what I am adding here, let's add some text here. The maximum value is comma. Now the minimum value. Again, I am adding one new line to show the second method. Using sort. Now to sort the list of these numbers dot sort function. After that, let's declare one variable max is equals to numbers. I am adding minus 1. Minimum is equals to numbers 0. Now print instead of writing the same thing, let's copy this one. Just I'm changing this using sort. Minimum value using sort. Now we don't require the here numbers. Let's delete that one. That's it, we have done the coding part. Now to run this application, first we need to save this file. Now let's check the output of our application. Go to view and click terminal. Here we got the terminal. Now to check the output, notice here in our terminal we got the path with our folder name. The folder name is Python tutorials. See here, Python tutorials. Now the command is to run our Python application. Python is a prefix first, then our file name is maxmin.py. Enter. See here we got the output of our application, the maximum and minimum values here. This is a list of items. The maximum value is 100 and minimum value is -1. Using the sort function, the second method, we got 1000 and -1. For example, here I am adding maximum value is 100 and minimum value is 2 here. Now let's save this file. Up arrow which will print the previous command here. Now let's enter. And notice after we have changed the maximum and minimum value from the list of numbers, here we got the results. The maximum value is now 100 and minimum value is 2. The maximum value is 100 and minimum value is 2 using the second method, sorting. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to get the maximum and minimum values from a list of items using the two methods I have shown, using maximum and minimum and sort method. That's it. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We will catch you in my next video tutorial.